At Automation Anywhere, we believe that talent is equally distributed, but the opportunity to use it is not. We build our technology so that people everywhere in all segments of society can have access to this technology and utilize it to do something great. Our Global Impact Program takes that intent and makes it a reality in 3 ways. We give social impact organizations our product, support, and training to improve their own productivity and efficiency. We also work with NGOs and learning partners to bring RPA reskilling, upskilling to different segments of society, especially those that are underserved in opportunities. Thirdly, we seek partnerships to solve large world problems and use AI for good. That's what our global impact partnerships mean to us. Technology is about human enablement, and we want to enable all humans everywhere to do the best work. I invite you today to get to know some of our NGOs and social impact partners across the globe. We're helping rural farmers in India with rainwater harvesting so that they can deal with the water crisis that is facing the globe using RPA. Meet RPA Nuggets, whose goal it is to upskill 1 million women in Africa using RPA.
RPA Nuggets is an intelligent automation solutions and service provider in South Africa, Johannesburg. I'm also very excited about the representation for African women in technology and specifically in RPA and intelligent automation. And I hope that this initiative will inspire a lot of them to take that space and take on the leadership roles that we really, really need.
What made me excited more about RPA and the collaboration with Automation Anyway was how it marries with basically everything in IT.
The next person that's whose job is jeopardized because their company is taking on digital transformation and they don't see any way out, or they think it's the end of the road for their career, that person needs to get the knowledge that they can transition into automation and have a fruitful career now and in the future. But we want to finish the cycle where people learn a skill and they go ahead and use it. And for us, that means either they get employed or they start their own entrepreneurial journeys. Thank you so much to Automation Anyway for being a part of our journey.
Meet PeopleShores, with whom we have set up an RPA Center of Excellence in the Mississippi Delta in the US, with an aim to upskill and reskill people with the lack of opportunity in that region. And their counterparts, Rural Shores in India, where we bring RPA-type technology upskilling and reskilling to the poorest of segments in that region.
It's been a long time coming, but
We're talking about raising the level of the skill set of many people, but at the same time, being able to produce a higher quality product. And now that's here in the Mississippi Delta.
I was born in the Delta in '74. We've mainly been known for the blues and agriculture, but to actually be a part of this new growing endeavor that is coming up here in the Delta with PeopleShores, partnering with Automation Anywhere, I mean, it's a very exciting time to be a part of that in the Mississippi Delta.
Our basic mission is to skill and employ at their doorsteps, and people don't migrate to cities. They come to work in Tier 1 and Tier 2 towns, and they belong to Tier 4, Tier 5 India. They were spending all their earnings on the livelihood, and also they were actually disconnected from their families. Why not take this BPO work to their neighborhood and arrest the migration of these people and also lead to family savings? Since inception, we have skilled 36,000 rural youth and have been able to employ or provide employment to approximately 16,000 youth. I really thank Automation Anywhere, which has come to us to create IT infrastructure. It really means a lot to us.